Don't post much, so I just want to thank you guys. I went and picked up a GoPro for the head now, so I can get a lot better footage of you guys of everything I do, because it's kind of hard to do it when I'm holding the phone like this. But yeah, let's jump right into the video for today. So you guys know the HE351 swap is still happening on the Cummins. I'm just waiting to find the right intercooler. I do want a full metal 7.3 intercooler. Some of them did come plastic, and I'm just really having trouble finding one in really good condition that I'd like for the truck. So be on the lookout for that video, as it is coming. Everything else is here, even exhaust manifold gaskets and bolts I purchased. It's going to be the full works. So yeah, let's take a look at what I bought. So for the time being, just, you know, I'm sure like a lot of you guys, I spent a lot of time scrolling on Facebook, and I happened to find these 6-inch Soflo stacks, and they're actually closed down now. They're out of business, but for the price I just couldn't pass. They have a true box mount all welded in here, 4-inch inlet on the bottom. They do bolt in the bed real nice, so I'm super excited to put these on. And yeah, let's take a look at some other stuff I needed for it. If you have a 4-inch exhaust or something like that, putting stacks on the truck's going to be fairly easy. If you do want to tuck close to the cab, I'll show you a video of that in a minute. Here, we're underneath the truck now. This is going to be the exhaust hanger utilized, as well as this. I'll be bending back down on mine. I don't know why it's the way it is. But if you look up here, we have the bed support, and I don't want to cut that, so I'm going to be coming right behind the bed support, and the stack's going to be a little pushback, and the rest of this exhaust is going to be coming off. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, I'm having a hell of a time getting this exhaust off here, which is weird because it almost fell off last week, which inspired the stack. So we're going to cut it a little bit because I want to keep it. So we're just going to put a little... Really? Guys, so we got the 90 up on here now, and I'm going to be drilling a slight pilot hole. Obviously it still has to go back on there, so you have to account for that. Probably going to be somewhere around here, which is right where I wanted it. It's perfect. So I'm going to drill a pilot hole here, so I know not to cut into my bed support. And then I'm also going to drill a pilot hole right where I think about the middle is going to be, and then I'm going to get out there, measure a little 4.5 by 4.5 probably, give this a little wiggle room, and then after that, yeah, we're gonna make it happen. Got the holes drilled. Gonna flip the compressor on here. Let's see if we can see some holes. Good. So we wanted. So here is that hole at the bed support that I want to stay away from, and here's going to be the goal area. So I'm thinking we're probably going to cut out probably a nice 5-inch hole here, actually, is what I'm thinking now that I'm looking, because I don't want to just make a nice cut through this single here. So I'm thinking we're probably going to do, I'm going to start my first cut right around the bed support there. And yeah, let me just push all this shit out of the way. Yeah, let's get to cutting. To mount the stack to the elbow, I actually ordered the wrong one. It was supposed to be a slip-on both sides, but I just realized it wasn't. So I'm going to be using one of these. Luckily I have one. This style clamp works pretty good for this situation, so obviously it's going to differ depending on what kind of system you guys had prior and what you're using. But yeah, so now as you can see, you got the stack all mounted in, elbows going up to it, she's all hooked up, looks real good. Also cut out some rubber spacers to put underneath there, you know, just kind of keep some vibration out. But it ended up mounting very well on the perfect riser of the bed, if you know what I mean, this part. And it all went well. So thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy some sound clips.